Welcome back, everybody. This is episode 2 of our Ranchero build. I'm in some overalls today, borrowing, so the name's crossed out with my name so we don't confuse it when we take our breaks. Also going to give you a little bit of a different view perspective with POV right here. I've got a chest mount, I've also got a head mount when we're installing it, when I'm under the car, so that way you guys could have a better look on what I'm seeing. So we've got the Ranchero behind me right now. We've got it all prepped. Drive shaft is disconnected also from the rear axle. We dropped down the steering linkage. Let me show you that right now. So, and the engine bay is all tucked up, all new wiring, all done throughout. But we've lowered this piece right here, the cross member for the steering linkage, so that way we could have just a little bit more clearance. Transmission fluid line over to our trans cooler, still leaking a bit. We've got a pan and an absorbent cloth under there, but this tunnel should now give us enough clearance to bring the engine and transmission in together. The only thing that might be a little problemsome is this little guy here. He gave us some issues last time when we were trying to remove it, but we didn't have quite the clearance down below. So with this should work. Again, enjoy the process. I'm gonna leave a lot of commentary. Not really too much of a time lapse, I don't feel like, unless it's like we're stuck on something. It's funny, I'm like puffing up my chest. You guys probably see me over there, so you can get a better look. You already seen this process, so we'll just snap of the fingers, be all done.
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, that's good.
Good there? That's pretty straight. Whew.
Yep.
Yep.
Esther, we don't need no super. You guys are in the way. Watch your foot.
Keep going. Alright, now from here, if we could start angling this guy. So the more that this goes in, the farther forward it goes.
You're gonna go on top of this.
I will look
We're
below
coming
this.
into the bell housing onto the radiator.
Up a little bit, just a hair.
Just a little bit, 2 inches. A little bit more, right there.
Right there.
A little bit, there we go.
Oh, real slow. Not too fast. A little bit more. Okay, stop. All right. We're still gonna tear the oil pan, Peter.
I'm trying to angle this sucker.
Yeah.
Is it moving?
Hell yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's moving. I see it.
We're almost clear.
There we
Slow
go.
down.
Keep
Slow down.
going.
A little bit more. A little bit more.
Ooh, that
A little
looks
bit more.
good.
A little bit more.
Freeze.
Stop.
You got any
that.
stuff to clean
That
this
looks
stuff?
good.
Look at that.
All right, now push it forward.
Okay, here I go. Forward it's coming, okay? Little by little, right?
Actually, should we get the headers in right now while we have all this clearance? Before we push it forward?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put the headers on there.
That will be,
3/8.
yup. Because it's,
You want a ratcheting box wrench?
hold on 1 second. Yeah, this is what I was wondering is, are we going to be able to,
Plugs are in the
I
way.
think the starter has to go in.
Oh yeah. And the plug's got to come out, huh?
Well, no, it just needs to go a little towards Bill.
No, it's hitting over there, Peter. Look, how's it gonna go to Bill?
Because it can still go down. I mean, it needs
Oh,
to go
well,
down.
then yeah, lower it down.
We can lower it down.
Lower it down. Absolutely lower it
We
down.
lower it down and level it out more. It's still a little, I got a nose up.
Coming down.
attitude. Real slow. Keep going.
So,
That's good.
well, no, I should be, it's gonna be tight, but yeah, I should be able to get that starter in. It's a small starter.
But I know when it
Help
fires
me?
up.
Help me?
Yes.
Yeah, like it's lined up like that.
Do you want me to hold the bottom, Peter? Because
No,
there's
just
a lot
gotta-
of weight. There's a lot of weight back there.
No, if you could just move your hand, because I can't see what I'm doing.
He's got them over here, Bill. Yeah, he's got a couple of them over here already.
You craving pancakes?
Yep.
Bring it down.
Leave it like that right now.
The jack stand is okay with the jack. I give it the jack a bit. You don't want to put on the jack stand. There.
Okay, you just, okay.
Put on the jack stand. Want me to do the other side? Or
No,
you-
no, no. Stop.
Okay.
What is this?
The jack? Oh.
What is that?
Got it. All right. Tight. Okay, Peter. I'm gonna hold it up.
Hold on, let me get my little wrench.
Okay.
Oh, that's exciting. It went in.
Oh, well, yeah, I had to push it, play with it down here, Peter, else you would have never got it.
Yeah, that was
Some things are just in the way.
that was definitely a team effort.
It's okay.
All right, so now
It's a team effort, it's a cussing effort, it's an everything effort.
the
It's all
goal
good, it's all good.
is to get 2 of these in. Okay. All right. Good. Oh yeah. I will definitely say they look good in here.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh man, getting to the back ones is not gonna be easy.
Oh, how are you gonna do that?
Small hands. Whoever says engine swaps are easy. No. So headers are in. I have to do a repair job. I have to re-tap the starter hole because
Okay.
somebody over-torqued it
Sorry,
and stripped the bottom bolt of the starter. So
that'd be me.
I'm going in right now to the bell housing to re-tap this. Hey Dad,
Yo,
can I have a crescent wrench?
crescent wrench, what size?
Small.
This one's too big because I get you a smaller one in the house.
Oh, my arm.
Too big?
I just need something I can't see.
This
Yeah,
is too-
that's fine. That's fine.
It's hot.
I don't care.
It's
I
hot.
don't care.
You're gonna like it. You can have it. I'll go get you later.
It's fine.
I get you now. Too hot. I get you a smaller one.
It's pretty hot. And bring me the bolt.
What?
Bring me the bolt.
The bolt?
Yeah, that goes in here. So I can test it afterwards.
Okay. Bolts are right here inside the starter.
Actually, let me go this way. What do you got me?
This is the bottom one. Does it matter which
Just
one?
give me a bolt. Thank you. The part that I hate about this is like there's no space for anything.
You want another crescent wrench? Small? Small one?
Sure. This is terrible. I can't quite get it out. This is just terrible.
Here you go, Pete. And if you want a smaller one than this, let me know. I got smaller one.
Perfect size.
I got another smaller one if you want.
No,
This
it's
one's
perfect.
yours.
This Perfect. Yeah, the big one was a little bit of an overkill. Yeah, what I'm doing now is I'm taking the tap out.
Okay.
And it's faster to do with the crescent wrench because your oil pan's kind of blocking the turner. Okay. Get my hand. Alrighty.
What's a pain in the ass in this?
Yeah. Okay, so first up.
We'll still get 300.
This is gonna go in here.
These are the starter ones. I'll put them inside the starter box because we're gonna need those wires, right? Maybe?
Yep.
Maybe not?
Oh, now I see what you mean because the header.
Yeah. Move on these?
Hold on a second, I gotta figure out the orientation of this. Nope, not that way.
Want me to go on this side and help you?
It is this way.
To hold it? See?
I think you're gonna have to lift the engine up.
Am I? Talking to me.
Hold on, I'm trying to figure out which way to... Okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to lift the engine up for me.
A lot?
Just a couple cranks. No, well, the other two, what I'm talking about, the other three from the other side, it gives us some sense of security because, there we go. Alright.
I got it. Let's go.
Let's go. Because, yeah, it straight up seized on me. Alright, let's go, yeah. Re-dye these out. Did you get it?
No, I was going to with this here. Pull it up.
Ow. Son of a...
No, it's not on. So oh, yeah. I got it now. Yeah, I got it.
Let's get out.
It's just rusty. Look, you need some
I know, let's get
lubrication.
out and clean it up. So today has been a very, very long day. The engine's in there. It's resting on the motor mounts. And we've got a jack stand underneath the transmission. However, 3 of the bolts of the motor mounts went in. 1 did not right now. But for today, we're just going to call it a day. We're going to cut back to this a little bit later. We do have a little bit of clearance issues in terms of the headers. Let me show you that. So right now, the driver's side is pretty much touching. And that may be solved once we get that last bolt into the opposite side of the motor mount, because it's on that side, not this side, so it may pull it that way just enough. The other concern I have is down here where you would mount the steering. So right down in there, you see that bolt by the header, that's going to stick out a little bit more. It's possible that we could put a shorter bolt in there, but with the steering component we may have some interference, so we're going to have to do something. Also, the transmission's not mounted, so the angle of it might sit more upright, so that might clear itself. There's a couple things. It definitely looks slanted back, so that might not be an issue like I think it is right now. But definitely this side, we've got good clearance. Like, that's what you want to see. Definitely good clearance between the header and everything else. But again, for today, calling it quits. It's been a long day. Crawling under the car. It's technically sitting in there. We're gonna cover it up with some plastic, and we'll see you on the next episode.